Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll compare Sora 2 and Kling AI to see which AI video generator is better. So if you're choosing an AI video tool for content creation, just follow along. First, compare the overall video quality. Both tools are designed to create realistic AI generated videos, but the results can vary depending on the type of scene. Next, look at the motion quality. A good AI video generator should create smooth movement and realistic actions. Another thing to compare is how much control you get over your videos, because some creators prefer simple generation while others want more customization option. And you should also consider speed, pricing, availability, and how well tools fit your workflow. For YouTube creators, the best choice depends on what type of video you make. And if you create cinematic storytelling videos, one tool may work better. If you need fast content creation, another option may be useful. So that's the comparison between Sora 2 and Kling AI. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.